In this video we are going to replace the alternator on the MK4 Mondeo. It's located below the fuel filter. Let's pop off the engine cover and get started. So we don't damage anything, disconnect the positive battery LED first. To gain access to the fuel filter, remove the upper cover. There are a few pipes and some wiring to remove before the filter housing can be removed. To release the fuel lines, the center triangular part needs lifting carefully with a small screwdriver, then at the same time push the outer clip down. Then the hose should pull off. Some patience is required for this. Remove the wiring harness, then remove the 3 fasteners on the fuel filter and lift it out. Before the housing can be removed, unclip the wiring harness. Then remove the 10 mm on the air valve. It will then slide upwards to release. Be careful to not break the pipes. There's 4 fasteners on the filter casing. Once these are removed, the casing lifts out, giving you full access to the alternator. You can now see there's plenty of space to access the alternator. The auxiliary belt now needs removing. The tensioner is down here. Turn it clockwise, to loosen the tension and remove the belt. Now the main lead and wiring harness can be removed. Now, just remove the 2 13 mm and lift out the old alternator. You can place the top bolt in the new alternator loosely. This helps it drop into place when refitting. Once in place, fit the lower bolt and tighten them both up. Now rebuild in reverse order. Then check it's charging correctly. You should expect at least 13 volts when the engine is running. As you can see, this is charging fine. That's it. Any questions? Pop them below and I will answer them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.